What's the deal? It's Randall. Today I'm back with another installation. Here we have a 2023 Ram TRX truck that's going to be getting our pin code system that's going to prevent being able to start the vehicle without the pin code being entered in on the steering wheel. Here we have our key. Once again, this is a Ram TRX. I'm going to try and start the vehicle, foot on the brake, trying to start it up. As you can see, the vehicle is not starting. So without putting the pin code in, the vehicle is not going to start. I have a sample pin code set. I'm going to hit my OK button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the vehicle is going to allow me to be able to start it. And so it's pretty simple to add an additional level of protection to your vehicle. It's going to allow me to be able to lead the vehicle places, not have to worry about different types of methods that are being used to steal these vehicles. And it's just an extra step that has to be taken to get access to be able to start the car. So it's a pretty cool product. Feel free to reach out if you need us. This one came down from Austin, Texas. You know, no matter what needs you have, we're more than happy to assist. So let us know and we got you. Once again, it's Randall, Might Effects, signing out.